If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas.
We're looking at a sponge type sanding block here. And here we have a crepe belt cleaner, sanding belt cleaner. And we're going to clean half of this with this and the other half in another manner. So let's see what this does for us here. And that half has been cleaned with a crepe, and the other half we're going to clean with about 80 or 90 pounds of air pressure. Well, that's quite the difference. Air pressure really works better than the belt cleaner. There's a sponge block again, sanding block. This time we're going to try some soap and water and see how it works. I'll put that in there. Add a little water to it. Put a little soap on it. And just scrub it around a little bit. Clean it up with some more water. And there we are. That works maybe even better than the air pressure. And I found that it doesn't hurt the sponge at all. It'll dry out. Everything will be back where it was.